Hi everyone, I am Angad Arora and I am really blessed to have such a beautiful team working on this project, especially Samruddhi, and she's the OCD player here. She takes care of everything that is looking perfect in this factory.
What they are currently working on is a 3-meter wall, after which there will be complete fixed glass sliding windows all around this elevation side. So this is the section that they are working on right now. You can see these are all the props that are holding up the slab that is being casted, and hence this jungle, the construction jungle, is what you are seeing around me.
Well, Mickey's is a very pet project of ours which we started during COVID, and we thought that this is actually a solution to a problem that we can provide to all the households of India. So we are right now at the loading bay. This is the loading bay, if you can pan, and this is the whole factory shed. And your main entrance is going to be there. That is the admin block that is being made. So everybody who is coming in will enter from there and go into this factory. So this is a pure restricted zone where you would have to, don in with a lot of hygiene solutions and then go in basically. And this is where your food is going to be made.
I want to add to it that I've been associated with him for almost since the inception of my career, and he's given me like really advanced projects starting from like restaurants to there has been a dynamism and variety in the kind of projects that I've dealt with. So I'm feeling very blessed to stand here today, and I hope that our collaboration continues, and I'm getting to learn also a lot from the projects that he's sort of given me to work on. So